people camping, see? Look at camping.
It's a lovely area for...
They can't even know what they're talking about. I can smell barbecue. That's what said, right? Do you guys have a portable barbecue? Let's go to the beach. Make a barbecue. I'd rather barbecue at home than bring it to the beach. But the smell? Who's gonna do that? You can look at people. You can look at people. But who's gonna do that? Who's gonna do that? You? Okay, right. I'm gonna enjoy the beach while you cook. Yeah.
Lovely area for power boost.
I'm gonna stop there. There's a lot of people there. I know, this connects there, the beach. Are you sure about the bike? It smells nice. Let's go that way. Let's see what the people ask them. Hey, what you doing there? Staff only.
It's a lovely area for power boost.
You're acting like a retard. I am. Like this being, we're gonna go there. Hey, what you guys cooking there? Yeah, flip that one and put flip that flip that one.
Last time we came here it was like 7 a.m.
You were not looking, but what if you walk you that's perfect, like you did that. I burst like the dust. Look at a lot of people. Why are these people here? And you're wearing this? Alright, for the beach. No, this works.
I'm wearing. I'll go over by the food stand.
Oh, there's a lifeguard. See that? Yeah, garbage bins. A lot. There's a lot of garbage walking. Huh? It's cold, though.
Then we can walk that way over to the houses. The next one.
Yeah. Look at that height. Height. You can actually fly drones here, no? We should have a tent so we can sleep inside.
Like a dog.
Like that, dog. And this is open. This is the first time I've seen this open. Is that what I think it is? No, it's not. It is? Is that a thing? That's what I'm saying. That's what I asked you earlier. I don't think so. Oh, no, it's not. It's funny, but it's not warm.
We can rotate around.
Go then.
Yeah, it's actually a little chilly, but I'm glad we didn't change that.
Good thing this path here. Why are you sitting there? You're gonna go here to sleep. You're gonna go here to sleep. Is it like that? Oh, they're doing that because so they're not in the sun, right? Some people. Filipino. See, this is her memory. Like Misty, right? Oh, that kid. That's the kid talking about, no? Oh, look at that! There's no water! Oh! I just remember. Look at those people really far! We should have water, Ryan. Look at the people there. We should have brought our towels. You're saying? Where are we gonna walk to? You're saying, Kat? We should have brought our towel.
It's the same. It's the same.
I should have thrown my drink. Oh my god, I'm not recording. I don't like the sand wearing this. No, you can remove your later. Look at me.
Should have brought towels when I sat out here.
That's what I'm saying.
I'll sit on the sand. I don't know if I want to walk out there though, because it'll be a bit wet.
No, it's not wet. It's dry actually.
It's not wet.
What if you find it's actually easier to walk here.
What those kids do? Should we buy a metal detector?
Look at that. Is that tsunami? Just kidding.
It's colder. Did you walk to Wreck Beach?
See, if we have a drone right now, it's nice.
What do you say?
Cool. If we have a drone, we can fly it here.
Right.
And I don't care.
Fly it way out to the ocean.
People look here. They're flying, people don't. What is that? See, are they fishing? Why do they have a bucket? What is that for?
Isn't the kid in the water
Look at
there?
the water there. Do you think there's fish there in the small pond? Look at that kid, Ryan. Swimming.
What kid, Ryan?
Yeah. On the ground. On the... Oh, we can't even cross this, no, because it's wet. See?
It's hello.
No, we cross. Look at that house. Imagine that's our house.
Can we cross from here? Oh no, we have to be there.
Yeah, that's our house.
Oh yeah.
So if you leave your boat here over like for a few months, gonna just floating here. I mean,
You think though?
Gonna sit
when
here.
there's a tsunami, the waves gonna be like far out like that.
it's not like this though.
Yeah, this one's like...
This one's like been like this for a while. You go to the beach, but there's no
You
beach.
have
No.
How does water there?
No? It's a real one, see? Shell? Clam?
No, don't be shellfish.
Clam flesh? You're being shellfish. Get it? Why do you put it here? Coffee? The cup. Is it gonna last forever? A lot of food. There's a lot of shells too, no? On the ground.
What are those people holding? They have a bucket.
Right? Are they trying to find some... If we're doing a lot of steps already, like footsteps. Everywhere. If you look at the ground, Ian.
How do you get there?
You need sandals for that.
What? Isn't the ferry over there? Isn't it dry too?
No, it's not there.
Okay, right.
Over here.
Oh no, that way, yeah, on that side. Look at the dog. And look at the shell there.
That's what I said, right? There's a lot of that.
Another one there.
There's a lot of that. I've been seeing it a long time now. When I go to SPCA. Oh my god.
Why is it like this? Look weird, right?
Those things, no? See? They spit out now.
Look at that. If you look around, it's not flat. It's like lots of holes.
We're walking
It's
where the
breathing.
water used to be.
Yeah.
The water used to be where we're walking.
Lots of shells. A lot of shells.
I know what I'm saying. They're probably dead now, no?
Yeah.
That's under the ocean before,
Mm-mm.
right?
Ocean in.
What if I find a bottle here with a note?
We should buy a
And
metal
that's
detector.
actually a treasure map.
Buy a metal detector.
There's he coming up. You do us a favor, you throw it in the garbage. No, there's no wait here. Just kidding.
It's scary.
I don't mind holding it. Oh my god.
It's getting colder.
You're getting colder. I want to find some kind of...
What is that?
treasure.
Crab?
Yep.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's a crab spawn. It's a crab shell.
No, it's a
No.
rock.
It's not. You can get a little
I'm
bit.
not touching it.
It's just a rock. It's just
Is
a
it
rock.
hamburgers? Can you move it a little bit? There, hold on.
What is that?
It looks like hamburgers.
You wish.
Hold on. You have your phone?
I have my.
Hamburgers. Hamburgers.
Because look at the shape.
There's a baby there.
Where?
There.
Creepy. You should film that 100%.
Oh, she fell behind us.
Pretend like you don't see it and then walk up to it.
Dog paw prints.
What is that?
What? There's a baby there. Ian.
Is that a...
What in tarnation?
That's super creepy. That means it's gonna be at the bottom.
Maybe that's from Titanic.
That's gonna be at the bottom of the ocean. Is that
Like
a
a
crab?
new model of
There's a little crab there, small crab.
Alive, dead.
Dead.
Let's walk this way.
Go that way.
That's gonna be in the water now. Then.
My shoes, what see?
Mine.
It's gonna be in the ocean.
If you walk in the grass later, it's gonna clean it.
Yeah.
I,
What?
oh,
Mud?
I thought I hit you. I thought you hit yourself with it.
Sounds so nice.
Weird.
The natural, like.
Look at the mountain.
Look at the mountain there.
You probably can see on the camera.